The first thing you're gonna do is remove your factory roof if you have one. We've already done this. We've removed the roof as well as all of the hardware. Now we're gonna take the new SuperATV roof out of the box from SuperATV. We're gonna make sure that the long curved portion is gonna go towards the front, and then the shorter of the two sides that comes to a point is going in the rear. We're just gonna lay it up. Make sure that it's gonna fit. Looks like it's gonna fit good. So now we're gonna remove our protective film from both sides. Then we're gonna grab the flat seal out of the provided hardware, and we're gonna run it all the way around this front portion of the cage. Once you get to this point, run it all the way back. Lift up the rear portion of the plastic. Slide it up underneath there as far as it'll go to the clip. Run a piece all the way along the back side, up underneath the rear portion of the plastic as well. Then run this strip all the way down to here. Once you've done this, you're gonna grab your roof. Make sure you orient it like we previously said. Then we're gonna grab our M6 hardware. We're gonna apply the sealing washer with the seal portion of the washer facing down towards the windshield. We're gonna line it up with all the factory holes in the cage. We're gonna use our nuts on the inside facing towards the machine. Let's go ahead and get all the nuts started and all the hardware. Right here in the front, you're gonna notice there's a bigger cutout. What you're gonna do is remove the hardware out of the big clamp provided in the kit. You're gonna grab this gasket, take the metal sleeve out of the center, just like that. And then just slide it right down through the windshield. Just make sure that seal's good and straight. Take the metal piece, metal sleeve, slide it right back down through there. And we're gonna grab our cage clamp, and we want it to sit just like this around the cage, right here in the front, so that there's a flat portion going up. And we'll take our long screw, slide it through, then take our nut, go ahead and get it started. And that's all we're gonna do is start it. We don't wanna tighten any of the hardware yet. So now we're gonna go all the way back here to the rear, line up our factory hole, make sure that our seal washer is facing down. And we're gonna take one of our nuts, go ahead and get it started. Then we're gonna take the factory roof screw and put it right back in the factory location, making sure it has the factory rubber washer as well as flat steel washer. So we're gonna get all these started, do the exact same steps on the opposite side, then we'll go through and fully tighten all the hardware. And there you have it. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's roof on a Polaris RS1. For more information on this roof, or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.